So our topic for today is about calculating a compass error. So what is your idea about compass error? A compass error is a combination of deviation and variation. Okay, so we talk about a compass error. So now let us use the shortcut method, which we will use from through to compass or from compass to through. Okay, so let us assume that we have a true course of 116 degrees and a variation of 10 degrees west. In order to get the magnetic compass, so we will add this one. So from west, we will add 116 plus 10 degrees is equal to 126 degrees. Okay, we have our magnetic. And then our deviation is 2 degrees east. So east is subtract. We need to subtract this one in order to get our compass. 126 degrees minus 2 degrees east is equal to 124 degrees west. 124 degrees, I mean. Okay. Let us move to this one. The CDMVT. Okay. Our compass error is 124 degrees. And the deviation of 2 degrees east. But in this case, we will add the east to get our magnetic. Okay, 124 degrees plus 2 degrees is equal to 126 degrees. Same as this one. Okay, our variation is 10 degrees west. So in this case, the west is, we will subtract it. Okay, subtract 126 minus 10 is equal to 116 degrees. So this time, we all know that the compass error is a combination of deviation and variation. So our compass error for this one is the 124 degrees. Thank you so much. And now, let us solve for a Mercator sailing. So the problem is, a vessel is at latitude of 18 degrees and 54 minutes north, a longitude of 073 degrees east, heads for destination at latitude of 13 degrees and 12 minutes, and a longitude of 054 degrees east. So, determine the true course and the distance by the Mercator sailing. So, we have a position 1. The given as position 1 is the latitude of 18 degrees and 54 minutes north. So let's assume that 1. Okay, 18 degrees and 54 minutes north and longitude of 073 degrees east. And the position 2 is latitude of 13 degrees and 12 minutes north and longitude of 054 degrees east. So what is asked? The problem asks for the course and distance. Okay, so here are the solutions. For solving for the difference in latitude or the DLAT, we need to subtract because it has the same sign, so we need to subtract. So the latitude 1 is 18 degrees and 54 minutes north. And latitude 2 is 13 degrees and 12 minutes north. So they have the same variable, so we need to subtract it. Okay, so we get 5 degrees 5 degrees and 42 minutes south. 42 minutes 42 minutes south. So sign of D lot is south because the direction of the ship is going to south. Second, we need to solve the D law or the difference of longitude. First, our longitude 1 is 73 degrees 00 east. And our longitude 2 is 54 degrees 00 east. So they have the same variable also, so we need to subtract it. 73 minus 54 is equal to 19. 19 degrees west. Why west? Because the direction of the ship is going to westward. So next, the third one. So solving for meridional parts. In each latitude and the difference in meridional parts or DMP. So this is the formula in getting the meridional parts. First is the meridional part is equal to latitude divided by 2. MP is equal to latitude divided by 2 plus 45 is equal to tan log. Okay, tan and log, and then the answer is you need to multiply it by 7915.7. .7 minus sine latitude times 23.2. Times 23.2. So this one. So latitude of 18 degrees 54 minutes north is equal to 147.6 MP. So the latitude 1 is equal to 147.6 MP or the meridional parts. And then latitude 2 is equal to 13 degrees and 12 minutes north. It's north MP. Okay, and to get the DMP, we have to subtract the meridional parts because our latitudes are the same sign also. So MP1 plus or subtract minus MP2 is equal, or MP1 is 1147.6. And our MP2 is equal to 793.8. So we need to subtract these two. So the answer is 353.8. Thank you. And for the next step, so this time we can now solve for the course. So this is the formula in solving the course by Mercator sailing. So tangent course is equal to D low over DMP. Okay, tangent course is equal to D low over DMP. So our D low is equal to 72.70. Our D low is equal to 1140, and our DMP is equal to 353.8. 53.8, and now we get a course of 72 72.76 degrees. And we need to know what is her variable, or going to south, or going to west, or going to north, or to east. And now this one is 72.76 degrees is our course. So this one is south, 72.76 degrees west, southwest, because that is in the third quadrant. So you might ask, why southwest? What is the rule in naming? South, because that's the sign of your D-lot, and the west, because that's the sign of your D-low. Next, we need to convert a quadrantal form to the new form, because this is a third quadrant by course. So we need to convert this. So we need to plus 180 degrees west, because she's this problem or solution is going to west. So from west is we need to plus 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees is equal to our true course is equal to 252.76. And lastly, we need to solve for the distance. So solving now for the distance. So the formula is distance is equal to d lot over cosine course. D is equal to d lot over cosine course. So is equal to our d lot is 342, and our course is 72.76 degrees. Okay, this one. So not 252.76 to avoid a negative answer. So our answer is equal to 1153.9 nautical miles. So this is the distance. Problem solved.